Have you been involved in a trucking crash here in Florida? If so, then this video is for you. Trucking cases and car accident cases are not the same because trucking cases are so much more involved. Oftentimes, you're not dealing with just state law, you're dealing with federal law. Was a truck coming and delivering from another state? We could be talking about a federal case with different laws involved that are applicable to the case. Oftentimes with a trucking case, you're dealing with not just the driver of the truck or the owner of the truck. You're also dealing with the cargo, the trailer, who owns the trailer, who put the cargo in the trailer. Did they do that appropriately? Were the trucks serviced correctly? We have to pull the black box after a crash to see if the driver had been driving for too long. Did they try to brake? Did they do all the things that they're supposed to do according to federal law when it comes to having the right amount of sleep? All of these things that you don't really see in a car accident case, you see that in a trucking case. And there's usually a lot more insurance and more attorneys involved and more layers of insurance coverage. So it's much more technically involved, and there's so much more that goes into those trucking cases. And that's why it's so vital that if you were injured in a trucking case, that you get an attorney like me involved immediately. I suggest it be me, but get an attorney involved immediately, because a lot of those cases, they're catastrophic injuries. You know, you got to hire experts to go and download the data from the black box before it's gone. You have to go and hire an accident reconstructionist to go and look at the truck before the truck's gone. Go look at the skid marks on the road. Do all the investigation that you need to do, because you know the trucking company is going to do that. They're going to hire their experts. They're going to do that. It's important that you are on an equal playing field as the trucking company, who's going to have their army of lawyers and experts who are trying to minimize the value of your case. So if you're in this situation, there's a lot there. But the first thing you need to do is give me a call. Let me get involved. Let me get the right experts involved immediately so we can get into the process of proving your case and getting you the damages and the compensation that you would rightfully be entitled to. I appreciate it, and I look forward to talking to you.